Hello, this is Tandy Banks, Certified Application Engineer for GoEngineer. Today in this quick tip video I want to look at the add-in known as Solidworks Routing. I want to verify that add-in is turned on today by going to my add-ins, Solidworks Routing. You can see I've got a check mark over there on the left hand side. And I'm going to be using the default design library that's installed with the Solidworks product under piping, and I'm going to start off in the flanges area. And what I want to do is I want to go from this blue pump up to the side nozzle on this tank on the right hand side. So I'm going to hide some geometry using a display state, so I'll kind of minimize a little bit what I'm looking at. And I'm going to start off with the weld neck flange. I'll just use the traditional drag and drop method in order to get that flange out onto my geometry. We'll add the 150-pound flange on that today. I'm going to take a look at my default settings over here on the left hand side, and I see that they're set up the way I want to. Schedule 40 pipe. I'll say OK, and it will add a pipe stub out here to my flange. I'm going to add my second flange onto my side nozzle. Use that same 150-pound 4-inch flange. It too will put a little pipe stub out there. Traditionally what we've done is we'll use lines in the 3D sketching environment in order to be able to create the direction that we want this pipe run to go. And then I can just simply drag and drop to create the connection between those sketch lines and my flange or my pipe stub on this other side. But what I want to do is, before I create those lines, I could use a function called auto route. And this just saves me the time and effort of creating those lines myself. And when we select the two endpoints of the pipe stubs that we have out there, we can go over to our auto route function that's in the ribbon toolbar for the piping tools. You can see auto route is one of the modes that we have, and we can cycle through different orthogonal options of how we want this pipe run to go. So the auto route is meant to quickly create those pipe runs for us, and we can even come in and make some changes and edits. Let's say I want to remove that pipe, so that way the elbow welds directly onto our weld neck flange. Exit the route, and you see that the pipes and elbows are all created. That's a quick look at the auto route functionality. My name's Tandy Banks. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip video.